Hey guys, welcome to MySQL tutorial series. In the previous videos, we have seen how can you actually connect to the XAMPP server, how can you create a database, how can you use that database, how can you actually create a table inside that database, and we've also seen how can you actually insert values into that database, right? And we've also seen how can you view the records in a particular table. So in this video, we're gonna see how can you alter a particular table. Now, what do I mean by alter? Alter is nothing but adding or removing any column uh, to a particular table, right? So without any further delay, let's get started. So before I start, let me just check how many tables I have. So as you can see over here on the screen, I have these tables. So I'm gonna check how many records I have in a particular table, which is called as cases. So the command for that is select star from the table name cases. So I have 6 records in this table. So I took a use case of COVID where I have the following columns. One, I have the ID. Two, I have the place. Three, I have cases. Number of cases reported in Hyderabad. Number of cases reported in Mumbai and stuff. So now say I want to add something like another column to this table. Now how do I do that? The command for that is you actually use the word or the key called as alter. Alter. Now what are you going to alter? Are you going to alter a database? Are you going to alter a table? Database you cannot alter. You'll only have to alter a table, right? So table is an you use this as an asset. I'll give this alter table. Now give the table name. What is the table name that you have over here? Cases, right? Cases. And now what are you going to do? Are you going to alter the table, right? But are you going to add a column or are you going to delete a column? So in this case, I'm going to add a column. Say we'll add a column something like cases I have, right? I'll add another column something like recovered, right? So what I'll be doing is I'll be clicking add, and what is and so this is the keyword add, and after this I'm going to give the column name, the extra column that I'm going to add. I'm going to give that a name that is called as recovered, right? Now give the data type of this, that is varchar, and I'm going to give this say somewhere 90, or else I'm going to give recovered, and I'll give this the data type of int. I'm going to give number, right? Number of patients recovered and stuff. So I'll just, that's it. So click enter. So as you can see over here, we have a table. We've actually altered the table and we've added another column that is called as recovered. Now let's see is this if this is added or not. So in order to check that, you have a command called as DESC, describe the table, right? DESC, and give your table name, cases. So as you can see over here, I have got another column that is called as recovered. So the add command works. Now let's check how can you actually delete that column that you've added just now. The command for that again is use the same command, alter. You're gonna alter what? Table, and you're gonna give the name of the table. And now what are you gonna do? Are you gonna delete it? Yes. Drop. What are you gonna delete? Recovered. That's it. Cool. So now you can see this, that the column that you've added is actually deleted. In order to check that, type DESC and give the table name. Cool. As you can see over here, that added column is actually gone. So that's how you use this command alter and delete. So that's it guys for this video. In the next video we're going to see how can you actually update a record, a particular record in a particular table. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. I'm trying to keep this video series as simple as possible in under 5 minutes. I hope you do like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.